Hi everyone, welcome this evening to Gagajoy's Cooking. This evening we're going to make a very unusual salad. I was introduced to it about 5 years ago at our church. One of the ladies made it and it was so interesting to all of us that we've all been making it ever since. And it's a beautiful salad, no cook. First of all, you need a bag of broccoli slaw. And then, strangely enough, the ramen noodles because when you call them, and you just break it up. It gives it such a good crunch, and when you put your salad dressing on it, it just picks up those flavors. I promise you, if you make this and you take it anywhere, even at home, people's going to want your recipe because it really is a cute idea. I got to put a few of these in here. I'll put some more of that. And you put 2 cups of green onions. You put a can of pitted black olives that have been cut in half. You put 2 cups of broccoli. You put, okay, it calls for mixed nuts. And I think it called for sunflower seeds, but I couldn't find them. So I used the pumpkin seeds and the almonds and the peanuts and the pecans. And I put them on the oven, on the stove, of course, and just sort of warmed them up a little bit, sort of release the oils. That's the next thing. And let me put a few of more of these in here. Red peppers in here just to spice it up a little bit. Make it a little bit red. You don't have it. And you know, as always, if there's things in here you don't like, leave it out. But I think the thing that takes it over the top is the ramen noodles and the dressing over here. Now your dressing is 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of vinegar, 1/2 cup of olive oil. And to that, you take the packet out of your ramen noodles and you put that in there. I don't know why, but it's would be good. And then you just mix it up real good. And you pour it over the top. Now I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. It'll take probably a little bit of stirring since everything was, look how pretty that is. It's so crunchy. You might want to let it set maybe 5 or 10 minutes, let the salad dressing sort of get a hold of it. Or you can eat it right off. I can tell you either one. This is so good to take to barbecues, church outings. It's not, you don't have to cook it. Just leave your air conditioning on and go. You taste it, just a little taste of it. See how it's mixed up. Well, you probably can hear me crunch because it's as crunchy as it can be. I'll tell you, there's one thing in here that should be in here, and that's salt. Well, on this one, I hope you enjoy. It was very quick. And we're going to have something with it and end the day. Remember the joy this week. We'll see you soon.